Kua rite koutou. Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's Toi Time! Hōrake tātou!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your mind, it's Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's Toi Time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama, Jojo, Wolfy, Oma and Mōhio, and we got Anika, Māia, we on my cuz. Aotearoa, tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on Toi Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. Māia, Tama, Jojo, Buzz, Anika. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your mind, it's Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time.
Kia ora, ko tamaho, hop on board!
I'm Māia, kia ora. I'm Jojo.
Ko Wolfy aho!
And I'm Oma. Ooh.
And together we are the Toi Time whānau!
Oh, Tama, I'm so excited about today's show. Choo choo! Choo choo!
I know how much you love boats, cars, planes and trains.
Oh, transport rocks. Beep beep. Chicka 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 chicka. Toot toot.
To you two, tēnā koutou.
Tēnā koe Mōhio. Oh, Mōhio. We were wondering if you could tell us what the word transport means.
Transport is how you get from one place to another, and there are lots of ways to do that. You could go by car, train, plane, helicopter, bus, all kinds of transportation.
Well, thanks, Mōhio. Let's get the show on the road.
Yay!
Tag, you're it. Oh.
Get in here, girls. What do you think of my bus? Pretty cool, huh? Look, I've made lots of windows and I've made a windscreen so we can see where we're going.
Wow, Tama, this is pretty cool. Can we help?
You sure can, Jojo. And you too, Māia. I'll need some wheels, Jojo.
Sure. How many do you need?
Bar. Aye. Māia, I also need a sign so that people can see where we're going.
I'm on it, Tama.
Cool.
Will you help me? I found this tapa whā and this porofita. Which is the best shape to make a weira? The porofita. That's what I was thinking, because a porofita will roll on the road. Tama needs 4 weira.
That's right.
Anei, Tama. I made a sign for the front of the bus so all the passengers know where it's going. See? It says Toi Time.
Whoa.
What
time is it
on? Toi time, it must be mahi. Toi time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
Perfect. Thanks, girls. All right, the Toi Time bus is ready to go. Who's coming on an adventure?
Oh, me. Me too.
All right, hop in. Hoake tātou.
wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. The babies on the bus cry, where, 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 where. The babies on the bus cry, where, all day long. The mummies on the bus say shush, 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 shush. The mummies on the bus say shush, 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 all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Oh, my cousins! I didn't even see you there. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back on another mean adventure. Guess what? Today I'm at my favouriteest place again. You want to go exploring together? You want to? You want to? Okay, let's go see what we can find. Come on! Oh, check out all these mean-ass cars, whānau. I'm going to jump on this one. Oh, time to fill up, whānau. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh, the gas prices are expensive as. Lucky this one's a push start. Oh, check this out, whānau. Shoot him, shoot him. Oh, come on. Whoa, high five. Come on, whānau. Whoa, manu con, let's go. Go, go, go. Backflip. Oh. Come on, whānau. Let's see what else we can find. Last piece, whānau. Check it out, whānau. Look what I've made. B, U, Z, Z. Who's that? That's me, Buzz the Cuz. I hope you've had an awesome time today, whānau. Ka kite.
We're going to see my friend. They live so far away. We're going to see my friend. How will we find our way? We're gonna jump on a bike, jump on a bike, jump on a bike. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. We're going to see my friend. They live so far away. We're going to see my friend. How will we find our way? We're gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus. Jump on a bike, then get on a bus. Jump on a bike, then get on a bus. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. We're going then get on a bus, then ride on a train. Gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train. Gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train. Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
We're going to see my friend. They live so far away. We're going to see my friend. How will we find our way? We're gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train, then sail on a boat. Gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train, then sail on a boat. Gonna jump on a bike, then get on a bus, then ride on a train, then sail on a boat. Are we there yet? Yeah! Are we there yet? Yeah! Are we there yet? Yeah!
Hi, friend. Racing car sandwiches, my favorite. Vroom, vroom.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Canoe.
Canoe who?
Canoe, let me in, please.
Oh, it's the Cuz. I missed you, Buzz. Oh, you brought toy boats to play with. Yuz.
Yeah, kia ora, bro. Oh, but first, maybe one of these sandwiches. They look brilliant.
Well, yourself.
Oh, maybe later. Oh, I can't wait to play with our tonga Tākaro today.
Oh, yeah. Play first, snacks later.
All right, let's go.
Ahoy there! It's
Tākaro Time!
check out these awesome toys that Buzz has brought to share. Oh, you're really great at cheering, Buzz.
Oh, you know what the saying is, Tama? Sharing is
Caring.
Yeah, lol. Which boat do you want to play with first, Tama?
The orange one.
All hands on deck, the orange one.
All aboard, moving!
Go!
Oh, it's so fast.
I love your boat.
Let's make it turn.
Okay.
Oh, I'll try how fast it can go.
Okay, go. Oh, that's so good. Oh, can I have a turn? Can I have a turn?
Sure.
Okay, all right. I'm going to turn. I'm going to go on the big, fast one. Oh, no. The boat's sinking, Tama.
I'll never let you go, Buzz. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh, man, I'm thinking that all of this boating's made me hungry. Some of your yummy sandwiches will be mean.
Oh, great minds think alike. Land ho! Ha!
Kia ora tamariki mā. I'm Aunty Anika, and today I am going to teach you about road safety. Crossing the road can be dangerous. You never know when a car or a bus or a big furry animal is going to zoom past. So I'm going to show you how to do it safely. Always take your grown-up with you when you cross the road and use a crossing if there is one. Look both ways and listen and wait until the traffic has stopped. Oh, okay. Then look both ways and check again. When it's safe, walk quickly and calmly across the road. I'm here. And when you're done, give yourself a pat on the back for being awesome. I'm so proud of you. Ka mau te wehi.
Hey, friends, did you know that buses have only been around for about 100 years?
Whoa! I reckon my kuru's been around for about, 100 years too.
I wonder what people used for transport before buses came along.
Do you think my kuru might have ridden dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Let's ask Mōhio. Hey, Mōhio,
Tēnā korua, how can I help today?
how did people get around in the olden days? Like before buses?
Before buses were invented, people travelled on foot or on horseback.
Fun. We love horses, don't we, Jojo?
Uh-huh.
Thanks, Mōhio.
Thanks, Mōhio. Speaking of horses, did you hear that? Giddy up! Hey!
Oma. Oh. Tahi, rua, toru. Oh, no. Oh, tahi, rua, toru. Woo! Yay! Good hoi-ho! Good hoi-ho!
We've got places to go, go, go. We've got places to go, 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 go. We've got places to go, go, go. Let's do the transport dance. We go. And then we go. Then we go. And turn around and freeze. And then we go. We go. Then we go. Let's do the transport dance. We're going here. We're going there. We're going here. We're going there. We're going here, there, and everywhere. We've got places to go, go, go. We've got places to go, 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 go. We've got places to go, go, go. Let's do the transport dance. We go. And then we go. Then we go. And turn around and freeze. And then we go. We go. Then we go. Let's do the transport dance. We're going here. We're going there. We're going here. We're going there. We're going here, there, and everywhere. We've got places to go, go, go. We've got places to go, 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 go. We've got places to go, go, go. Let's do the transport dance. Let's do the transport dance.
Kia ora! I've got a really fun What's in the Box for you today. Jojo's going to put her hand in the box and try to figure out what's inside. Are you ready to play?
Ooh, it's cold. And smooth.
Oh.
And it has corners.
Oh.
And it's melting in my hand. Is it an ice cube?
Yep, they are ice cubes, but they're not just ordinary ice cubes, Jojo.
There's something inside. I can see weeder. Is it a car?
Oi! I put one of your toy cars into water and I froze it in the freezer.
Oh, cool. But I have a pātai. How do we get it out again? I like playing with my toy car, Tama.
Yeah, it's very easy. You can either rub it in your hands like so, or, Ane, you can simply place it in a bowl and pour warm water on top. See?
Wow, Tama, wow! the ice turns back into water.
Exactly.
Cool. Hey, Tama. Race ya. Meow.
Morena te ao, titiro ki te rā, ka haere ki waho, kia pareka reka, kia pareka reka. I can take a hoi ho, pai hikara papareti. Akuta pana rora te kehi. Ataraka pahi poti wakamoto ka. Ngā momo waka. Ngā momo waka. Karere ake. Karere ake. I te wakarere rangi. Kia whakarere I te poti, kia pareka reka, kia pareka reka. I can take a hoi ho, pai hikara papareti, akuta pana rora te kehi, ataraka pahi poti wakamoto ka. Ngā momo waka, ngā momo waka, ngā momo waka.
Here comes the tram.
You guys ready to go?
Yes. Yeah. It's getting really fast. It's speeding up. I like it when it gets a bit wobbly and shaky. We're racing a car.
Hello there. How many adults, how many children, please?
2 kids and then 1 adult, please.
The conductor gives us tickets.
Keep hold of these for coming back. Thank you.
We like waving to people through the window. Sometimes they wave back.
It's that time again, whānau. It's story time! And we love stories. Mouse. Ooh. Ooh. It's been raining all day. Outside, there are huge puddles. Jade and Nico have raincoats and gumboots on and are dancing in the puddles. Now, their mum wants them to come inside. Autumn is coming, says their mum. Rain, rain, and more rain. Autumn. Jade repeats the word. She likes the way that it goes. Autumn, Jade says again. And after autumn, there is winter, says Jade. Rain, rain, and more rain, says their mum. Where does the rain come from? Asks Jade. Well, says their mum, who stops and then screams. Oh, the loudest scream ever. Oh, Mouse, she yells, jumping up on the chair. Ziggy the cat that thinks he is a dog is not doing his job, says their mum, opening the cupboards. Mouse poo, she screams. That night, Jade and Nico watched their mum put cheese on a trap for the mouse. The next morning, no mouse in the trap. Jade has an idea and tells her mum to write a note. Jade thinks hard about what to write. Dear Mouse, come into our cupboard and have some cheese. It won't hurt at all. Love, Jade. In the morning, they open the cupboard. No mouse, but the cheese has gone. Clever, says their mum, putting more cheese in the trap. That night, when the house is quiet, Nico hears a bang, crash, boom. Waking Jade up, he takes her by the hand and they go to the cupboard. The cheese is gone and Ziggy is there cornering the mouse. Mum, they yell as Ziggy starts chasing the mouse around the house. Quick thinking, Mum arrives and opens the front door for the mouse to run out. She shuts the door before Ziggy follows. Looks like Ziggy is doing his job after all, and that lucky mouse gets to go home to his family tonight.
Haerera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha e noho rā. Ka kite